In the lecturette, confidence is your uniform and clarity is your weapon.
Jain friends. In geopolitics, it is believed that there are no permanent friends or permanent enemies, but only interest. And talking about today's lecture, that is line of actual control. And this is a notional line, you can say, which is not a permanently marked boundary or a legal line. And talking about this one was precisely thought about in 1959 by a Chinese premier of that time. And if we talk it from the point of India, so we believe that around 3488 kilometer this boundary's length is. From the China side, it is around 2000 kilometer they believe, and it is divided in three parts. That is the eastern part, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, etc. The western part, that is Ladakh, and the middle one, that is Uttarakhand, etc. And it has been a controversial line for a long period of time because as it is not marked, so there were multiple disputes between India and China. Like we know about the 1962 war, then later 1967, that was the Cholangla uh, clashage. Recently in 2017 there was Dokalam clash, that was between Bhutan and China, and in 2020 there was a huge clash, that was the Pangangso clash, which took lives of 20 Indian soldiers and more than 40 Chinese soldiers. In 2022 September, there was a first firing after 1975 as using weapons were prohibited from both the sides. So these things were there. And talking about the current times, gentlemen, so even there were multiple discussion with the Chinese counterparts, but there is no clarity of marking on the line. So it is very much ambiguous. Sometimes Indian soldiers just surpass this line and goes in Chinese area. Sometimes vice versa also happens. So there is high need to mark this line. And talking about the future outcourse, so we have seen there are multiple discussion between India and China, and hopefully this line will be drawn well. As recently in the meeting of BRICS, when PM Modi meet with the Chinese counterparts, so there were good discussion, and continuously we seen that the relation with China is improving. So I think taking that into point, it's possible that in future the as the relationship will improve, we will be able to come on the proper conclusion. And till the timing, we need to draw a proper understanding there, and maintain the proper military and that part, and made infrastructure that in type of any type of place we will be able to tackle the China. Talking about conclusion, so it has been disputed part for a long period of time. But hoping that with increasing understanding, we will be able to counter this particular thing.